The Portuguese amassed huge wealth from their trade with India, and therefore the Dutch, the British and the French merchants too followed the Portuguese to India. East India Company. With the intention of trading with India, some British merchants came together in London and founded a trading company. It was called the East India Company. In the 1600s, it was granted a charter of trade by the Queen of England to trade with the eastern countries, especially India. Initial activities. At that time, Mughal emperors ruled India. In 1608, East India Company obtained permission for trading in India from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. They set up a factory in Surat. Here, they stored their goods. Within the next 100 years, the British had set up their factories in many places along the sea coast. Now let's learn about British entry into Bengal. While granting the East India Company the permission to trade, the Mughal Emperor had also given them some privileges. The British merchants in Bengal started misusing these privileges. They fortified their factories without permission. The Nawab of Bengal, Siraj-ud-Dawla, objected to this. Therefore, the British declared war against Siraj-ud-Dawla. In 1757, Siraj-ud-Dawla was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. The British established their dominion over Bengal. In order to obtain goods at cheaper rates, they began to oppress the people of Bengal. To put an end to these activities of the East India Company, the then Nawab of Bengal, Mir Qasim, formed a coalition with the Nawab of Awadh, Shuja-ud-Dawla, and the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam. In 1764, the British defeated this coalition as Buxar. They acquired from the Mughal Emperor the Diwani right, that is, the right to collect revenue in Bengal. In this way, the foundation of the British rule in India was laid in Bengal. Let's study expansion of British power. At this time, the Mughal Empire in Delhi had become very weak. In the north, the Sikhs, the Rajputs, the Jats and the Rohillas had their independent states. Similarly, in the south, there were the Marathas, the Nizam and the other states. They kept fighting with one another. All this had weakened the Indian rulers. The British took advantage of this situation. The Marathas, Tipu Sultan and the Sikhs fought against the British, and Tipu Sultan lost his life on the battlefield. The British fought the Marathas. Bajirao II was defeated, and the Maratha power came to an end in 1818. The princely states of Jhansi, Satara, Nagpur, Awadh, etc. were annexed by the British. The British attacked the Punjab, defeated the Sikhs and brought the Punjab too under their control. In this way, the British expanded their rule in India.